Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth automatically while driving on Android Pie 9.0. This is a new hidden feature in Android Pie which you will need to enable from Developer Options. First, enable Developer Options, so go to Settings, then tap on System. Now tap on About Phone. Scroll up and tap on Build Number 7 times, then unlock your screen. Developer Options is now enabled on my phone. Go back to System and tap on Advanced. Now tap on Developer Options. Scroll up, look for Feature Flags and tap on it. Turn on the button next to Settings Bluetooth while driving. Now go back to Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Tap on Connection Preferences and enable the button Use Bluetooth when driving. This feature will turn on Bluetooth automatically when driving. A simple way to turn on Bluetooth automatically while driving on Android Pie phones. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.